Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says that if x minus iy whole cube is equal to u plus iv, then show that u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 into x square minus y square. तो बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन में हमें गिवन है कि x प्लस आई वाई का होल क्यूब u प्लस आई वी के बराबर है. देन हमें प्रूफ करना है, हमें शो करना है कि u अपॉन एक्स प्लस वी अपॉन वाई इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग सॉल्यूशन लेट्स लुक इनटू द की कॉन्सेप्ट. सो की कॉन्सेप्ट हम यहाँ पे यूज क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर यूजिंग इक्वालिटी ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. सो अगर कोई दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इक्वल हैं, suppose we have taken two complex number, if we have taken two complex number z1 and z2 and we are saying that z1 is equals to z2, it means what? It means that real of z1 is equal to real part of z2 and imaginary part of z1 is equal to imaginary part of z2. So if two complex numbers are equal, then it signifies that, it tells us that their real parts are equal and their imaginary parts are equal. So using this concept, we'll try to solve this question. We'll try to prove the given statement. So let's start our solution. We have to prove what? We have to prove u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 into x square minus y square. Okay, और हमारे पास गिवन क्या है? We are given with x plus iy whole cube is equal to u plus iv. हमारे पास ये इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है, तो इसी को यूज करते हुए हम प्रोसीड करेंगे. So I am sure everybody must know what is the formula for a plus b whole cube. So using that we'll expand this expression x plus iy whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So using this we'll get here x cube plus y cube is y cube plus 3a square means 3x square b, 3a square b means 3x square into iy plus 3ab square means 3 into x into iy square, which is equal to u plus iv. Simplifying it further, हमें क्या मिलेगा? ये मिलेगा x cube. Now iy cube. So I cube value is what? Minus I. I cube is minus I. So using this we'll get here I minus iy cube. Similarly here 3x square iy. So here we'll get plus 3x square y into I. Here I y whole square means I square y square. I square value is minus 1. So it will become minus 3xy square, which is equal to u plus I. Now we'll bring real terms together, imaginary terms together on the left hand side. So real terms here are what? Here real terms are x cube minus 3xy square, and imaginary terms here I is common, so let me take I common. Then I get here what? I get here 3x square y minus y cube, that is equal to u plus I. Now we will comparing left hand side and right hand side, LHS and RHS. So comparing them, we will get that we know that two complex numbers are equal when real part is equal to real part. So here we have real part what? We have real part as x cube minus 3xy square. So x cube minus 3xy square should be equal to what? It should be equal to u, which is the real part of right hand side. Let's take this equation as now we can further simplify it. Here we can see x is common in both. So let's take x outside. So we'll get here what? X square minus 3y square, which is equal to u. Now if I take this x to other side, we'll get here what? We'll get here u upon x is equal to x square minus 3y square. Let's take this as equation number 1. So we have compared the real part. Now let's compare the imaginary part. So here in imaginary part, what we are having here 3x square y minus y cube equals to v. So we have 3x square y minus y cube is equal to what? Is equal to v. So again we can see here y is common in both. So let's take y outside. So we'll get here 3x square minus y square equals to v. Taking y to other side. So हमें क्या मिलेगा? हमें मिलेगा v upon y equals to 3x square minus y square. Okay, let's take this equation number 2. Now for proving, we will add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let's add equation number 1 and 2. So while adding, we'll get u upon x plus v upon y is equal to x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus y square. Rearranging the terms, जब टर्म्स को रीअरेंज करेंगे वी विल गेट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3y स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर. नाउ विल सिंप्लीफाई इट. सो जब हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा u upon x plus v upon y is equal to x square plus 3x square will give us what? 4x square. Similarly, minus 3y square minus y square is going to give us minus 4y square. Minus 4y square. 4 दोनों जगह कॉमन है, विल टेक आउटसाइड, तो हमें मिल जाएगा 4x square minus, sorry, 4 after taking common we'll get x square minus y square. So we have to prove this only, that u upon x plus y v upon y is equal to 4x square minus y square. So hence LHS and RHS are equal. So we have proved what has been asked. So in this way we can prove our given equation. I am sure everybody must have understood it well. Thank you. Best of luck.